303, 30,324 pk, UV protectant gallon for vinyl, plastic, rubber, fiberglass, leather and more, dust and dirt repellent, non-toxic, matte finished, 128 fl. Ounces, pack of 4. 303 UV protectant brightens surfaces and keeps them looking newer, longer. This formula provides superior UV protection for any rubber, finished leather, plastic, vinyl, stainless, PVC, gel coat and fiberglass surfaces. Not for use on unfinished leathers such as suede, fabrics, canvas, or floorings. 303 UV protectant not only protects against fading, discoloration and cracking from harmful UV rays, but repels dust and stains too, helping to extend your cleaning. Rinse-free formula leaves a non-greasy, dry matte finish with no odor and is non-toxic and water-based. 100% free of grease-producing silicone oils and petroleum distillates. The 303 UV Protectant is an easy-to-use spray-on formula that comes in a 16 fl. ounces bottle with trigger sprayer. Same great product, new look. Refer to the second product image. Made in the USA, click the link in the description to get this product today.